Welcome to an example on how to perform grade calculations for a course that is based on points. Let's assume your grade in a math class is based upon the following points per category listed here on the left. You want to find the percent grade on each category and your overall grade in the course. So looking at this first table, notice how the course has a total of 1,400 points, where 250 points are earned from homework, and you've earned 235 points. 150 points are earned from the project. You've earned 132 points. 500 points are earned from tests, in which you have earned 468 points. And there are 500 points earned from the final exam, in which you have earned 442 points. So we'll start by finding the percent grade on each category, and then find the overall grade in the course. And since a percent is a number compared to 100, to find the percent for each category, we'll form fractions using the points earned and the total points, and then we'll find the fraction of 100 that you've earned, so we'll take this fraction and multiply by 100. So for the homework percentage, the points earned would be 235 out of a total of 250 points. We want to find this fraction of 100, so now we'll multiply by 100. This will give us the percent for the homework category. And we'll go ahead and use the calculator for this. So we'll have 235 divided by 250, and then we're going to multiply this by 100, which is the same as moving the decimal point to the right 2 places. So this is equal to 94, which means the homework percentage is 94%. Looking at our scale below here, notice how you've earned an A for homework. And now we'll do the same for the project, tests, and final exam. So for the project percentage, the fraction would be 132 over 150. We want to find this fraction of 100, so we'll multiply by 100 to find the percent for this category. So now we'll go back to the calculator. 132 divided by 150. This will give us the decimal value, and now we'll multiply by 100. Remove the decimal point to the right 2 places. So for the projects, you've earned 88%. Again, looking at the scale below, 88% would be a B. Next, we have the test percentage, which would be 468 out of 500 times 100. Again, this division gives us the decimal, times 100 gives us a percentage, so it's 93.6, which means the test percentage is 93.6%, which is also an A. And then we have the final exam category, in which you've earned 442 points out of a total of 500. So 442 divided by 500 times 100 would be 88.4%. So this is 88.4, which again means when we express it as percentage, we have to add the percent symbol. So we have 88.4%. Looking at the grade scale here, that would be a B. Now we want to find the overall grade in the course. Now we cannot just average these 4 percentages together, because notice how all these categories are not worth the same number of points. We need to find the total points earned, divide by the total points in the course, and then multiply by 100 to find the total percentage for the course. So the sum of the total points earned is 1,277. So we can use these points earned and these total points in order to find the percent grade for the entire course. We'd have 1,277 divided by 1,400, the total points. We want to find this fraction of 100 to find the percent in the course. So we'll go back to the calculator one more time. 1,277 divided by 1,400. This will give us the decimal value. To convert to a percentage, we'll multiply by 100, add a percent symbol. Because the grades are based upon the nearest tenth, we'll round this to the nearest tenth. So this would be approximately 91.2. Which is good news because that means the percent for the course would be 91.2%. So the overall grade in the course, based upon this scale, would be an A. So that should be good news. Okay, hope you found this explanation helpful.